are at Lidl's. We're going to do the shopping for the parrots and see what we can get for under £20. Let's go. All our fresh stuff. Let's go. So all of this I got for £17.23p, so under £20. So that is the parrot food done. It's now time to go home and chop it. Let's go. So I've used a special cutting blade for the parsnips, carrots and the cucumber, so it makes them all like different patterns, and I think it looks quite cool. So yeah, so I've cut these up so far.